Hey guys, Star here. Today I'm going to show you how to use our internal chat feature for team communication. You can now have private conversations that are happening behind the scenes right inside of the system without your customer or client seeing that information. Let's say, for example, that you're a contractor and you have different team members who are going out to the actual site and bringing back information so that you can prepare your proposals. Maybe you don't want your client or customer to see what's happening in terms of discussions that are taking place, bids that are happening, so you can continue to have all of that dialogue going on before sending out that proposal. So I'm going to show you how to use the internal chat feature so that you can have seamless communication that's private all within our system. Let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so you're going to want to be on the sub account level, and you're just going to go ahead and scroll down to the conversations module. Once you click on the conversations module, you're going to see a blue button that says new. Go ahead and click this new icon, and you can create a direct message, group message, or internal chat. For this particular training, we're going to go ahead and click on internal chat. Once you click on internal chat, then you can add the team members that you actually want to have a chat with. So I'll go ahead and select a team member now, and then I'm going to start this chat. Now to start messaging, you're just going to scroll down to the bottom where it says chat, and you can go ahead and start sending out messages to your team members. There's also the feature of adding emojis to this chat conversation. Just go ahead and click on insert emoji, and then you can select the emoji that you might want to add to this conversation. The other great feature is the attach file option. You'll see this little paperclip icon. Just go ahead and click attach files. Here you can upload directly from your system, or you can choose from your media library. So you can upload photos, you can upload contracts, or any documentation that you might want your team members to see, and then go ahead and click send. You can also stay extremely organized by going ahead to click the edit button at the very top. You can actually edit the subject so that you can stay organized and on topic. Just go ahead and add your subject and hit submit. Now this conversation is going to be labeled with an actual subject line of your choice. You can also add additional team members. At the top right, you can click on add users. So let's say that you've been in internal conversation with your sales team, and now you actually need to add an assistant to the conversation. Just go ahead and select your users here, and we'll go ahead and add in your additional users. Then you're going to go ahead and click next. The great feature is that you can actually start from the beginning so that they can see the previous communication that is happening in this chat. Or if you don't want them to see unnecessary chatter that has been happening, or maybe there's private information that you don't want them to see from previous communication with you and the previous members of that particular chat, just go ahead and click don't include chat history and hit submit. At this point, they'll only see any communication that's happening onward. This is a great way for you to stay organized, share updates, and receive notifications. So go ahead and start using our internal chat feature so that you can stay in collaboration with your team members directly inside of the CRM. This information will stay private from your clients and customers. Only you and your team can see that information. This is a great way for you to stay organized and on top of business.